What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. I have my Guardians, Bruce Lee, and Baby Yoda. Let me turn this camera a little bit. Baby Yoda and Bruce Lee. The Mandalorian is coming next week. We're going to see season 2 of Baby Yoda. Please subscribe, comment below. I did not want to make a video like this because I wanted to keep it secret, but I see so many videos on YouTube. And I want to talk about firsthand because I am a notary slash loan signing agent. I have 2 certifications in that. Yes, you can make good money. There are people making 100,000 plus in this business as an independent contractor, loan signing agent. So, and I'm here to tell you firsthand from experience, it's not easy. It's easy after you do so many signings, but you have to learn how to deal with people. You have to learn how to deal with these different title companies, escrow companies, signing services, things like that. But you make the most money by going direct. That means you go straight to a title company or escrow mortgage company and say that my name is such and such. Here's my business card. I would love to work with you directly on the title signings or refinance signings, reverse mortgage signings, or whatever the case might be, because you cut out the middleman, which is the signing service companies. So I'm going to give you a couple more pointers on this. You can get your training from NNA, which is National Notary Association. You can also go through LSS or Notary Public certification training, but there is no exact law that says you must have training, but it's great to have, because if I'm going into something that I don't know about, I want to have training. I want to have a mentor. Mentorship is a huge thing for me. Mentorship is so important. So please get some training if you're going to do the notary loan signing agent. First, you have to become a notary with your state. Then you get trained as a signing agent. So you can make between $75 to even $300 per signing, depending on if you're direct or you're working with a signing service. So when you first start, that $75 is good to have because it gets you trained. It helps you get trained. And the more you do, the better you're good at it. So the more you can make. You can do this part-time or you can do it full-time. And a lot of people that do it full-time, they have the scanner, they have the printer inside their vehicle. So they don't have to rush back home to print or sign anything. They can go straight to the place and get it printed off right there, mobile. Let's see. Work from home. It's a good thing to have. A lot of people want to do that. The 5th reason is that you have the ability to make money almost immediately. It's not immediately, sort of say, from a signing service or direct title company, but some people will pay you that day to notarize their paperwork. Like, say for instance, I had a person that was selling an apartment in another state, so they paid me directly that day, signed the journal, your notary journal, notarized about maybe 6 to 9 pages of that title page package, and that's all. Go over everything, make sure everything, the date is correct. As a notary, you cannot sign a future date, notarize a future date or back date. So you have to make sure everything. That's why training is so important. You have to know your laws in that state as well. It's low startup cost, but it's good to have your own scanner, which costs about $400 to $500. Epson Brother printer. Right now we're in a pandemic, so it's hard to get a printer. If you get one, please hold on to it. It has to be a laser jet printer. Laser printer. I'm sorry, not jet, but a laser printer, which we always recommend, brother. Multi-tray printer. Let's see. Anything else I can tell you? There's a lot of things online that you can look at. And I'll try to put this on my blog as well, financierpro.com. If I don't already have it. I got close to 300 articles on there, so I have to go through there and look and make sure I have a lot of this stuff on there. But notary, first you become a notary with your state, then you become a signing agent, which you get trained and certified in. Let's see. I'm going to a couple of these sites on here. See if I can give you any other quick information without putting you guys to sleep. There are a lot of signing services that you can go through. And I am going to try to look up some right now. Signing services for mobile notaries. See. Okay, I got the top couple ones are BankServe. You got Title Source, and some of them you won't know until you actually do the job. They pay slow, so you might get paid 90 days or less, or you might get paid over 90 days. You have to keep track of that, and I use Notary Gadget to keep track of all of that. SnapDocs is another main company that I work with. In Notary, is it Notary Public, Notary something? Once you get in there, they'll give you a big list of all the companies to sign up with. I don't have all the companies right here in front of me. I'm sorry, guys. Let's see. I know that there's a big one, Fidelity in Chicago. That's a major company that people try to get with. But a lot of these companies want you to have some kind of service, at least 50 or more notarizations under your belt before they even hire you. So, you guys, if you want to make this money, you have to know what you're doing. You have to know your laws. Notary first, then you become a loan signing agent. Make sure you double check if you become a signing agent. Double check your work, because these title companies will send the paper back. They'll send the package back. It could be one page. They'll send it back. You have to pay for that overnight shipping. So make sure if you do this, know what you're doing. A lot of people are nervous to jump into this because a lot of people are introverts. They're more to themselves, like me, but have to realize sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone and do what you have to do. So there are people, especially in California, making $10,000 or more doing this. So you guys, if you are a loan signing agent, please comment below. Let me know how long have you been doing this. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time on Financier Pro.